How's it going, everybody? Tyler here, and for today's video we're starting off with a bit of a road trip. Let's get rolling and I'll tell you more. So I'm actually this weekend on my way to Lancaster, Pennsylvania to do a workshop with an Irish dance school out there, the Paloma School of Irish Dance. And I guess it's something that I've never really talked about too much on the channel, but that is something that I do outside of doing videos and performing and all that stuff. I do workshops with Irish dance schools where I come out for like a weekend or something and work with the Irish dancers at that school. So obviously there was some pretty significant downtime past 15 or so months, but restrictions are starting to go down, vaccinations starting to come up, and I'm starting to go right back out and helping Irish dancers out there. So it's one of the things that I love doing. I love mixing that in with performing and all that. I love teaching, y'all know that. It's even more fulfilling to work with dancers in person. So I'm going in for just a day, since it's only like 2 hours from where I live. It's pretty nice. I get to just drive out there, and we're doing just private lessons, one-on-ones for the day. I think there's like 6 or 7 of them in a row. So long day, but fun, and it's great to work one-on-one with dancers, get a lot done. So I guess this is a shameless plug for my workshops. If you're at a dance school looking to shake things up a little bit, bring an extra set of eyes into the studio, you can follow the link here at tylerschwartzdance.com for more information about that. I like to work with competitive schools, performance schools, really anything, technique, and all that stuff. With my experience in performance and competition, we really can make it flexible to what the goals are of your school. So yeah, let's get there. Let's have some fun. Yeah, Breakfast of Champions. Here we go. Let's see how it all goes. Going. So I am a sweaty mess. Hey, so we just finished up here, had 6 private lessons, worked with some amazing dancers, each on their individual needs and goals. It was really great. Definitely great to be back working with people in person. I'm very much a teacher of do as I say and as I do, so I like to dance it with the kids and work with them, do the dances with them to really show them what needs to be done and all that. So it's just been great to be able to do that again. End of the last class of the day, the 3 boys I was working with asked if I could do any of the dancing, so I obliged with a little bit of my old downfall that I've done at Real Rhythm, and didn't make too much a fool of myself. Hit most of my clicks. Holy moly, stamina totally leaves you though. I need to get back in shape. Woo. But yeah, it's a pretty fun time. Figured I'd just take you along. I was just so excited to get out and teach. Figured I'd bring you guys along with. That's about all for today. I will see you all in the next video. Happy dancing, and take care. Bye.